You can code inside Minecraft Education Edition by either pushing C on your keyboard or by touching the agent icon on your touchscreen device. So if I push C on my keyboard, Code Builder is going to launch, and I can choose from one of three editors: Microsoft MakeCode, Python, or Tinker. I'm going to choose MakeCode. And we are able to code in blocks, but also toggle that code and see what it would look like in either JavaScript or Python. So we're going to start by doing the most basic activity that you can do, and a great one to start learning how to code in Minecraft, which is Chicken Rain. I'm going to click on Chicken Rain, and I'm going to do blocks. You can also do this tutorial in Python or JavaScript. So the first thing that it's going to ask me to do is rename a chat command. So it's asking me to rename the chat command run to chicken. Now it wants me to put a spawn block inside my chat command. Now we're gonna have our chicken spawn 10 blocks above our head. This is using the X, Y, and Z coordinates. So in the Y coordinate, I'm gonna type in 10. So it spawns 10 blocks above my head. Now it wants us to go back to Minecraft and type chicken as our chat command. So I'm gonna push the green play button to go back into Minecraft. And then I'm going to push T on my keyboard to open up chat. And my chat command was chicken. And then I'm going to push enter. And I will see I have one chicken falling down from the sky. So now to go back into Code Builder to finish the activity, I'm going to push C again on my keyboard. And now it's introducing us to a repeat loop. I'm going to go grab the repeat loop and change the 4 to 100. So now I'm going to go back into Minecraft again by pushing the green play button. I'm going to hit T again to open up chat. And then again, I'm going to type in chicken. We didn't change the chat command even though we changed the code. I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard and I will see 100 chickens falling from the sky. Now, if we want to try to do something even different and keep going with the tutorial, I can go back into Code Builder by pushing C, hit finish, and I will have all of the blocks available to me in Code Builder. So say my teacher asked me to now have 2 different mobs fall from the sky at the same time. I can go in and select another spawn block and pick whatever animal I want. Let's do sea turtles and pandas. And I'm going to name this to panda. And I'm going to have them fall just 5 blocks above my head and 6 blocks above my head. So now when I go back into Minecraft, I can hit T again to open chat. My new chat command is panda. Push enter. And I will see all of the turtles and pandas falling from the sky. This is an introductory session on how to get started with coding in Minecraft and an introduction to Code Builder.